Let's make stuffed okra today. This is known as Bharwa Bhindi in South Asian region and tastes heavenly. So let's begin with the recipe. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to Dash of Delight and press the bell icon in order to get the notifications right away as soon as I post any new recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I've taken around half a pound or 250 grams of okra or bhindi. The very first and the most important step is to wash okra and then dry it thoroughly. It's extremely important to dry the okra completely, else it will become slimy once we start cooking, which we don't want at all. Once completely dried, chop off its head and the tail part and discard it. Then, with the help of a knife, make a vertical slit like this in every okra. Be careful in this step as sometimes knife tends to slip and cuts whole okra in two parts. So just be mindful while making these slits. So see, it should look something like this. Look, here I have made slits in all my okra or bhindi. Now let's start with the stuffing part. Take half cup of peanuts and half cup of chickpea flour or besan. Then take a pan and dry roast the peanuts until they start to crackle and change the color. Very soon you will see that they have turned slightly brownish like this. So keep it aside and in the same pan roast chickpea flour as well until it turns aromatic and change the color to light golden. Once done, keep it aside and let both the peanuts and the chickpea flour come down to room temperature. Once they cool down, take a blender jar and add them into it. Then add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur, 3 to 4 chopped garlic, half-inch piece of ginger, salt as per your taste, and in the end goes very important ingredient 1 tablespoon raw mustard oil. Blend everything very well until they turn into fine powder-like consistency. And one more thing, you can also use lemon or lime juice instead of dry mango powder. Look at this gorgeous stuffing mixture. It's looking so beautiful here itself. Well, I just tasted it. It's so yum. So here you can check and adjust the salt if you feel like. Alright, now take each okra and start stuffing them with the mixture we just prepared. Well, just to let you know, stuffing these okra will be much more better and feasible if you use your hands. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and carefully place all the okra on it. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Then cover and cook them on lowest flame for 15 minutes. But just check them after 5 to 7 minutes and give them a toss. Remember, do not use much of spatula or spoon as you might end up messing up with the stuffing. Then again cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes and the okra will be all ready to be served. So take it out on a plate. If you want, you can garnish with some cilantro or coriander leaves, but for me, it's perfect. So if you like the recipe, please let me know in the comments below and don't forget to like and share this video.